Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change the color of any image in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. So to start with, from your Canva home page, you need to find an image that you want to change the color of. So I've got an image here of a little dog running about, and I'm going to use this to show you how to change the colors. So if you want to upload your photo that you have yourself, you can use the upload tab, or there's lots of photos you can use inside of Canva. So you've got a few different options to change the color of an image in Canva. So the first option is really easy. Just click on the photo and the bar at the top will pop up. You can see it's got different colors here that are showing in the image. So say if I wanted to just change the color of the ball, I can just click on the blue color. Let's click on something else, so something like red, and you can see it's changed the color of the ball. If you want to undo that, just click back and it changes back to the previous color. And you can do that for other colors in the image. Another way to change colors in an image is to click on the photo or image and then use the edit tab. So by clicking on there, you have lots of options to edit your photos and images. So there's loads of cool filters which are really cool to use. So as I flick through here, there's different color ones you can use to change the colors in an image or even make it black and white. So I'm going to click on see all, and some of the best ones I've found to change up colors in an image are color pop and duotone. So all I need to do is click on one of these. So say if I want a pink color, I can click on that, the image turns pink, and I can sort of change the intensity to get it where I like. Again, undo if you want to change that. There's loads to choose from, so like more of a greeny one, things like that, orange, pink, yellow, and these color pops are even more vibrant. So if you're looking to make an image really colorful, you can use one of those and it changes more of the background, as you can see. And again, you can change the intensity. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.